So today we are going to add our backend by saying add backend function and live market signals, like database, you see, like database function, like database, comma, logins and sign up. So now we have told it to add back-end signals. So you can also get your codes from here. You see, you can get the codes from here. You can download the project here. So let us wait, because this is how our app looks on the mobile phone. This is how our app look like. It's called the Signal Trader. So then I want to add trade on eToro. I want to add this back end. So I want to see this AI can do that. If it can do that, I will show you until the end we publish this application together. You see how to develop a mobile functioning app. So it is now updating the signal. Do not forget, guys, to subscribe. Our channel is called Cybercode and AI. We are doing cybersecurity with AI. We are doing code, even AI. So you don't need to miss out any video that I post here. You just click on the subscription, just click on the subscribe button, allow the notification bell, such that every time when I post a video you can get what I'm talking about. So let us go back then and see the progress of this application. Now it is adding, because now I put a prompt that add what we call the backend function, like database, login and sign up, and a live market signal. So I want to see if it managed to do this. For example, it created an account called account sign page.gx. Then it created what we call a sign up page.gx. This is video part 3. I have the part 1, the part 2. So go on and follow if you never will, because we want to build it. We want to build this application together until to the end, until to the mobile app, because I want to show you that even AI can develop. I want to use totally AI, so that I can see that it can develop a working mobile application. So this is a Signal Trader app. We are developing it, and now we want to see the progress. Now let me create a backend function for managing what we call signal with the database. Now let us create an API end for user interface. So we want to see NVIDIA, I don't know, these signals are working. It is creating here something. Now let me create an API endpoint for user interface. Now let me update the component to include authentication features. let me see, let me wait, let me see, let me wait. This is the power of AI. So on the mobile tablet, so we need even to change these colors. I don't know how is the color. I need to put some font, a nice font. So I'll go here, I'll find for CSS and Tailwind colors. So I'll go here, such that I can find good colors for good colors. Let me see. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, so we can see here beautiful colors which the application can use. We don't need dull colors. So we have here colors. You can see colors. We have here colors. Oh, of course, let me see. Let me see this color. Let me see this color. Suggest. Now, I think the color is good. I think this color is nice. Now let me create a user preference dashboard. It's still creating some things here, but let us wait and we see at the end how it will be looking, you know. So now it creates what we call a dashboard for the client. So perfect. I have successful a trading signal app, completed authentication, whatever, database, trading storage with expiration and user tracking ID. Oh, so what I'll do in the next video, I'll get this one to be live. Like here, it tells me about live signal, but I don't know whether I see that it is working. Let me see, get started. Yeah, you see now we have, let me put, we have a login. Let me put it here on the big screen. We have a login page, so we can, let me try to log in and then I see what it brings. Now this is now login. Wait a moment. You see now we have created a login. You see, so we have created a login. You see now we have logged in. So, and I'm telling you that we are going to use Onwe AI to develop this. We are going to use Onwe AI to develop this. So we have managed to log in. So we can sign out. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how. However, you have even a chance to look on your code, because you know, some, if you don't put what we call, there are some data that you don't need to put on it. So it have created a dashboard, whatever. So this is how we are going to use Onwe AI to develop the sign out. Yes, when I click here, sign out, yes. So you need to make sure that there is not an error, so that you see now we have signed out. Live signals, But on the live signal,